Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, but in the yesterday's edition. Yes, Saturday, February the 5th, 2022. We have here, I've already solved the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. We have now a Tectonic with 1 star. And this Tectonic will be number 4088. 4088. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because it's a 1 star. Yes, a 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. It's always a 1. Dual boxes. Can we see here dual boxes? Yeah, here. One dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes here. No, triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 and the 3 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. And when you see a triple box, the inside box, this box, near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be a 5. Should be a 4. Okay. Triple box. Quadra box then. Do we have in this puzzle quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers I do not know. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes here, no. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright, here we have an L shape. L shape. When you see an L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes here? Another one. Rotated. So this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 1 or a 2. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do I have more of these kind of shapes? No. Oh, overlook this L shape. Yeah. We have another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here. Okay, we have this kind of shape. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So let me draw this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And we have only one shape I see in this puzzle. Then the following shape, I think the last shape is this one. Let me draw this here. Okay, the shape. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Only 4 shapes or figures, construction, structures that you need to recognize. Only 4 in this puzzle. There are more. I believe there are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4. Why you need to recognize? Because next step, it's easy for filling the numbers. Okay, so let's get starting. Filling those numbers. We have a 1 here. So these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4. It goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Okay. Then, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 and a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes can be 1 and those 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Okay, that's a pair, 1 and a 2. So the other pair should be the 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay, now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. But also those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay. Then, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. That box is connected with this box, should be also a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair in this quadra box. So 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 1. Okay, 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Well, I think this box... Wait. Let me think. 2 and 3. These two boxes can be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can it be a 3? We have a double 3 there. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 4. Okay. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Okay. 2 and a 3. Let me think. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can also not be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. Okay. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 5. Okay. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Okay, now we have a 3 there. Oh wait, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. Faster than 50 minutes, told you. It's a 1-star Tectonic, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and yeah, we will meet again tomorrow on a Monday. Another day, another puzzle. Yeah, see you then. Bye bye for now.